Break ID number 4906. 2018 Bowman's Best Baseball. 1-box break. And these are flying. We just had another one sold out. Another one's down to... never mind, that one's gone too. And I just posted another one. Go. Wesley, LO, with a free spot. So the last two of these are up there. Bowman Draft Jumbo's down to 3. Devers rookie. Nico Horner. 24th overall pick. Cubs, Rick, VI. Sixto. And Andujar rookie. Grayson Rodriguez. Pavin Smith. To Arizona. John R.O. Otani rookie. Nick Madrigal, number 4 pick, insert. Swaggerty, number 10 pick. Kyle Tucker, atomic. Walker Buehler, rookie, insert. One left in Bowman Draft, Jumbo. There is another one already up there for when that one's gone. Michael Kopech. Looks like an orange in there. Could be autoed. Orange is to 25. Nope, there's the auto. Yordan Alvarez. Astros. Michael P.E. Alex Thomas, orange refractor. Arizona. John R.O. Carter Kieboom, insert. Ozzie Albies rookie. Anthony Siegler. That's a refractor auto, 23rd overall pick. And a refractor parallel to the Yankees. Eric D.O. Nice card. 4 left in Rookies and Stars football. Mark McGuire, Atomic Refractor insert. Juan Soto rookie. Hoskins rookie.